this video, I'm going to show you how SiteGuru helped me in optimizing my website. This is actually a new website, my personal website that I just created 2 weeks ago. If I'm not mistaken, about almost 3 weeks, but close to 2 weeks. Okay, so I just want to show you what it did and how it really helped me a lot. Like, look at that. Now I'm in, just 19 minutes ago, I'm in 100%. Site is healthy. So here are, because like I said, this is a new website and I've got not a lot of pages in there, but I want all the pages be 100% healthy. And I did everything that they suggested. Let's say, for example, this link right here. Let's click that. So before, the issues were the indexability, the meta description, the page title, especially the page speed. And so I followed everything. But before I did all the SEO audit, I first worked on the indexability. That's before I purchased up the SiteGuru app, and then I worked on the meta description. And I wasn't just using this tool. I was also using another tool just to compare. And it also, that was like a support. And then I went back to SiteGuru to to do all the work. And it's just so good. And especially this one, this was the last issue that I had with other pages, which is the Google page. And I just clicked the suggestion and fixed the issue there. And so I am very, very happy today. Just today, yesterday it was like 98, 96 something percent. So I wasn't satisfied. Could I still see the issue, especially in the home page? And I did everything that I could with the help of SiteGuru. So I just want to show that to you here in the recent activity. Look at that. The health was in June 6, it was 82%. But before that, it was just really bad. And I climbed up the ladder in June 8, 95%, and steady in 12 in 97%. And so today, which is June 13, it's already 100%. This one is 97 and 98%. That was like an hour ago. And yes, I can guarantee that SiteGuru can help optimize, fix the health of your website. And because this is really new, so we'll see in terms of traffic and all these things. Obviously, I still have to write more articles with the keywords that really that will drive views, organic views. So isn't that amazing? And I purchased this on Amazon. I got it in a lifetime deal, and there is a link in the description below. So I want you to try, just give it a try, and you'll see there will be really a big difference. And then when I checked this one with another tool, and yes, it really matched with that other tool that I was using. So I'm just so happy, and I will keep SiteGuru as one of my SEO tools, and I want you to do the same. So there's a link in the description below in this video, and go for it. Buy it now. Thank you for watching. Ciao.